Hey guys, this is Simple Graphics. If you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. So in this video, I gave an assignment on my Telegram group, and actually to people. If I send these resources to everyone, and I say, okay, replicate this design. For instance, so I think I got some designs from persons which they actually did well. But some persons too, they are not practicing. So I think that will be for the next video I'm going to make. I'm going to talk about some mistakes that people make, especially smartphone designers. You get so, but in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how I did this design, with the font. I sent every resources to my Telegram group. So if you are new to this channel, do well to join the Telegram link on the description below. You get, so I want to go straight to how I made the design, and this is it. So the first thing we will do is to bring in our picture and picture. So this is just a picture, and I'm just going to align it to the front. I'm going to use relative size to increase the size and just put it there, and then I'm going to lock it up. Then another thing I will do is to impute the background. So practically I want to change, let me hide this picture. I want to work on this background first of all. So I'm going to go to this place, and then choose color, and then I'm going to pick this background, pick a color, although it's also white. Yes, it's white actually, but not a complete white. Yes, so I'm going to pick that, and then everything goes down. So I will bring in my picture back, and then I want to cover this place. I want to edit this picture. So I'll go to, you can do it two ways. So the first one is either going to this eraser, and then you increase this place, increase the second place, and then you will just practically erase this place like this. Okay, so this is one. But if this does not work, you just go back, and then just go back. So the next other thing to do is to add what's it called, something that will fade out your design. You get, so let's get it straight. So I'm going to pick first of all this thing. I'm going to make it the color of the background first of all, and then I'm going to go to gradients, and then click this plus sign. So this up place, which is this side, I don't know if you're this side, I'm going to make it transparent by sending this one to this side and this one to this place. So first of all, let's just pick this color. It's colorful. We're going to make this transparent. So so for this second side, we're going to click this sign and pick the color first of all from the background, and then leave the color to this place. So then for this one, we'll take it to the middle, and then practically we've gotten our fade out. So the goal is to just fade out the image a little. So this is it, and then I'll just okay it. So I'll lock it up, and this is it. So I want to impute the design, so we can just see what we are doing and see if we're in the same track. So I increase this to the ending, and then I want to lock it up and hide this. So in bringing the element for this design, first thing first is my church logo. So this is my church. What church? I think we have different branches. Then if you want to visit any of our branch, you're free to do that. So this is a logo. Then I'm going to take it at the middle of the design. So what I practically do is every month I create a design pattern that I will be using for all the service topics for the week. Then for Wednesdays, for Sunday, every month I actually make every styles for each month. So this is the month. For this month, this is what I'm actually working on. This is the style I'm working on for this month. So the topic says covenant key. So this logo, let's balance it with this one. So there are some things you do when you are working on a already made design, just want to get it. What you should do as a designer is to make sure you copy very well and resize everything accordingly. Understand? So that you are doing exactly what was done. There are some clients that will come to you and say, do exactly like this thing, just redesign it for me, so you can know what you're doing. So this is it. I'll type in the font, covenant key. So okay, so this font is supposed to be fracture, but I don't have it on my phone. So basically I'm just going to use fonts I have here, which there are so many fonts I can work very well. So I'm going to use Geary. I think I sent this font to my group chats on Telegram. So I'm using Geary just to replace that font, and they are kind of related. It's covenant keys, so I'm going to add S to this, and so this is it. So I'm going to copy this. I will do the color later. Well, let's work with this divine. So the font I use for this is let me just create this first of all. Okay, so the first I use this is Gennaro. So this is it. It's actually a demo font. Now a demo font means you cannot use it for public. It's just a font I use to practice. So practically you can't actually just use it for brands. And most of this font are actually paid for. And if you don't know that and you start using it just for brands, maybe for brand continually, they are going to catch you. They will hold that brand responsible, and then they will tell that brand to pay. So this is lifting. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to change the color to red. Let's just pick this color. Okay, so this covenant, I want to change it to this red. It's red. So this is it. So actually I use Photoshop to work on this design, and we are practically using phone to recreate it. So the date is 12th July. Then I'll give it a space, and then it's AM. Now, so the font I use for this is actually Beber's New. It's a popular font I use. This is my China. reverse the code. So this is just it. Then I'll change the color to black. Change the color to black. So the address is sorry, I was supposed to copy this text. I did not copy. And, the address is so this icon I use for the address, I think it's not on my phone. I'm going to check for church. Opposite or big taste. Site materials secondary school. Square bracket. So this is the address of my church branch. So for this address, I'm going to use the font I actually use for this is unbounded. So this is what I used for this address. But you can decide to use something else. Let me take this down. Take it more down. So for the color, this address, I'm going to make it red. Every other one will be on black. So let me first of all give it a black color. Okay, it's already a black color. So I'm going to hide this one. This one. Yes. So I think the last thing there is sorry. The last thing there is our social media handles. So Facebook, Instagram, and just Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Let me start with YouTube. Facebook, Instagram. What church? Okay, what arena? So I'm the one that manages our church social media account. So practically a bit of hand. So the font, I'm going to work with this Gary, but I'm going to change this 3 to our font for social media icon, which is this. Okay, so for this one, Instagram is Instagram should be C. Let's do it kind first of all. Okay, Instagram should be C. Okay. So this is so what I will do is I'm going to make it smaller. Then for this one, I'm going to copy this. Just copy this, and I'm going to put our slogan here. Speak in the word. Changing lives, changing destinies. Changing destinies. Okay. After 3 dots. And so this is it. So just like this. So I made it red. I think the last thing I did was to put a line. Just a line here, and make the color black. The line kind of big. Okay. So copy it again. and then send it down. So I want to try something here. This thing, but I don't know if this Pixellab can work on it. So it's called an emboss. So this is why I don't use emboss on this Pixellab, because it's not actually giving what I want. So on the norms I use emboss for that design, and for this one I can't actually use it on Pixellab because it's always, you know, giving me different stuff. So that's it. So practically this is how I design this. Alright guys, so if you watch to this extent, before we do the last part of this tutorial, you have to subscribe, like, and if you want to share, you can do that. So the last thing I added was this dove. Yes, this dove. So one was here, and I copied it and made it smaller. So brought it here. Let's put it here. What I will do is that I'm going to take this dove down to this place. I want it to be on top of this one. I want it to be on top of the divine, but under the lifting. So under the lifting, I want the lifting to be on top, so I'm going to yeah, it doesn't like it. So I'm going to duplicate, go to copy, then increase a little. Then I'm going to flip it to the 3D flip, 3D rotation. So I'm just going to work on this y-axis, so just like this. And then I'm going to put it here. So this is it. So I can decide to play around this dove. I can flip this one too. This dove again, I can flip it and put something here this way, and that's it. So if you watch to this point, congratulations. And the resources are in my Telegram channel. Do it to join, and then recreate the design. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.